Boy, he runs fast for a little guy.
Quick, 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 quick!
This way. There they are. A bird! Look! Stop! My baby!
I got you! I got you! I got you! I got you!
I can't see!
Somebody do something!
Are they all right? Can anyone see? Are they alive?
I can't see!
What is happening?
Doc?
Good heavens, they're in trouble.
Francis!
You guys, I've got an idea.
Here, I got it!
Please, man, wake up! Wake up!
Mr. Early Bird! How about a nice, tasty worm on a stick?
I'm going to snap. I'm going to snap.
That's the juicy, succulent...
Let's go.
There they are! Okay. It's going to be okay, Doc. Bye-bye, Birdie! Help! I'm stuck! Pull it out! Snell!
The caterpillar's using himself as live bait!
How brave!
Suck it in, man. Ow! My leg.
The bird! Look out for the bird! What is that?
That, my friends, is the sound of applause.